Planning across multiple teams is challenging and time-consuming as teams struggle to align priorities, resourcing, and make confident commitments. Miro Planning and Delivery brings product, design, and engineering teams together in one unified workspace where they align at every level, make decisive commitments, and track progress. With Miro, the strategic context is all in one place, so that teams never lose momentum in planning. Here, in our PI planning space, we have all the references needed. The context and vision from leadership, our finalized OKRs, and the prioritized features that the team will be working on. Now, let's take a look at how a team runs a typical PI planning in Miro. Let's take the example of our backend team. It all starts with a backlog. So here we have all of their high priority initiatives. Instead of spending time manually breaking them down, the team can use Miro AI to generate a full feature summary and detailed stories in seconds. Here we can see the feature summary in Miro Docs. And here we can see the user story breakdown. And the best part is, everything follows your company format, which means much less rework for you. Now the team is diving deep into each user story, checking for clarity and completeness, and they can discuss the complexity of the features and add story points to each task, easily estimating the effort needed from the team. Finally, the team will assign stories to sprints, instantly seeing capacity constraints and load balancing across iterations. Now, this is collaborative planning in action in Miro. The team is iterating together in real time, adding comments, discussing items, and ensuring that no issues come up in the future. Now, once they're all satisfied with their work and they've completed the planning activities, they will mark their work as in review so that the rest of the team and leadership can review and provide feedback. Now, we have all the teams doing planning in one space, which makes it a really collaborative effort. What is really powerful is that the program board will show us everything we need to know across different team commitments. And the best part is it's all updated live automatically. Now, we can also see dependencies across multiple teams detected by AI automatically. This is a game changer. Instead of discovering critical blockers 3 weeks into the quarter when it's too late, teams are proactively addressing cross-team overlaps, discussing items before they become a problem. Now, the main program board becomes our live view of work happening across the quarter. The dashboard will automatically update with our commitment statuses and can be shared with multiple teams and leadership for review of current items and capacity. Now, the planning summary is an executive summary generated automatically by AI, which can be shared with leadership for up-to-date commitments and results across the team. Now, this is how Miro Planning and Delivery helps teams gain momentum during planning, maintain alignment throughout the entire process, and provide visibility to leadership, all in one connected workspace.